Hello guys, and today we have Nissan Altima. Came here for polish. As you can see, it has been repainted and it has already been used with 200 green sanding paper, but the surface is a bit mess over here. You can see it is a bit mess over here. As you can see, I have already zoomed. You can see the black dots over here. So the surface, the paint is a little bit of a mess over here, and over here, as you can see, it is very dirty. So this dirt has come from when you use sanding paper. You know, the residue of the paints comes out, and if you don't clean it immediately, it leaves a residue like this. So we are cleaning right now over here, and after that we will start polishing. Before polishing, we will equip tapes. We will use plastic over here. As you can see, the car, there is a little bit of mess, and not little bit, there is more like a mess with this car, but the body is good. Over some parts the body is good, over some parts the body is in a bit messy condition. The inside is also in a bit mess, but we have cleaned the inside. As you can see, the inside is all cleaned earlier, but when the car came inside, it was in a bit mess condition. This whole inside was full of dust. It was covered with dust, and fully covered with dust, as it was no black, only white. You can see the only white. The black you are seeing here, the seats all covered in dust. It was fully white with dust. So we have cleaned it right now, and we have already cleaned the inside, and right now we will be using polish to make the body shine and paint shine. I hope the polish goes well with this car. As usual, the name of this car is Nissan Altima SL. We have removed the number plates from the back as well as the front sides, and after equipping it, we will be using polish. So for polishing, we will be using the Kochchemie brand. Because sometimes we will also use the Carwax brand, which is a heavy cut for lights, but the light is also clean. As you can see, this light is all clean, so we don't need to use over here polish over here, but we will be using the finishing polish, which is P3 over here. So we will get started with H9, and after that we will go with M3 from Kochchemie, which is a micro cut, which gives us a smooth finish. For polishing, we will be using two machines. One which is a rotatory machine, which is this one is the dual action machine, and the rotatory machine is over there on that side. So we will be using the machine dual action as well as the rotatory machine. For both the machine, we will be using wood pad, first pad, and followed by a hard cutting pad. So 2 layers of one each time, 1 layer with a wood pad and 1 layer with a hard cutting pad. And after that, we will be follow with a medium cutting pad, which we will use on M3. And if the M3 gives a smooth finish, we won't be using P3. But if the car doesn't give any shine, so we will be going to use P3. I hope the car goes well, and I will see you after the car has been polished. Or first we will be equipping takes. After equipping takes, I will just give you a quick review of this car. Thank you. So this is the finished version of the car. The car looks amazing. As you can see, it is ready for delivery, and right now the customer is inside, and this is the car, how it looks like. It is ready for delivery. I hope this car comes again for services. And now the car goes out. This is how the car looks.